design, but when it lit up the street, everyone paid attention. Still, there was one car that wore its menace even more proudly. And it's coming up next as our #1 top pick of Detroit's biggest and baddest muscle cars. Number 1, 1970, Dodge Charger RT 440 six-pack. If muscle cars had a final boss, this was it. The 1970 Dodge Charger RT with the 440 six-pack was the ultimate combination of style, power, and sheer street presence. It didn't need to be the fastest, though it came damn close. It just needed to be the baddest. And it was. Under the hood was the 440 Ci V8 with 3 Holley 2-barrel carbs, rated at 390 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque. It hit 0 to 60 in around 5.6 seconds and laid down quarter miles in the low 13s. But stats don't tell the full story. The Charger RT was wide, long, low. It had the infamous Coke bottle shape, hidden headlights, and one of the most aggressive grills ever put on a production car. Option the SuperTrack pack, and you'd get a 4.10 Dana 60 rear, Hemi suspension upgrades, and a Hurst-shifted 4-speed that barked with every gear. Inside, it was part luxury cruiser, part muscle cockpit. Bucket seats, wood grain, pistol grip shifter, rally dash. Everything said you were driving something serious. And when that six-pack opened up, it didn't just accelerate, it lunged. The induction howl, the body twist, the way it shoved your spine into the seat, it was unforgettable. The Charger RT 440 six-pack didn't pretend to be balanced. It was a middle finger on wheels, aimed at anyone who thought they had the fastest car in town. It closed out the golden era of muscle the way it should have. Loud, lethal, and legendary. And that's it. 15 of the biggest, loudest, and most brutal muscle cars ever built in Detroit. No light